tutorial called the Twine Vines, inspired by our friend Lisa, who showed us how to do this years ago, and now we're doing it in neon today. But it's a super easy technique, right, Ellie?
Mm-hmm.
You can do it with a friend.
It's like the ultimate friendship bracelet because you gotta be stuck together on the same clipboard.
And then you have to share the one bracelet you made.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have 7 strands of 2-ply wax linen. I'm going to measure out about, let's say, 4 inches, and I'm going to tie a knot. And then I'm going to pull each strand to make sure my knot is tight. Then I'm going to take these two and I'm going to tie a knot. These 3 and I'm going to tie a knot. And then I'll take these 2 and I'll tie a knot. So now I know that once I start, pulling this is not going to pull it out of the knot, okay? So then we already did this one, right? Where I cut off the 2. We want me to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Landing here. I'll pull it to make sure it can fly out. And I'll make one more because extra knots never hurt. First I'll take the first string and I'll string on and you want to cinch the knot right under and makes a little pickle. Cute. You're going to separate it into 2 strands. 3 strands and 2. The first thing I'm going to do is tie a knot right here and one more, and the last one. basically I'm just tightening the knots. You can also split them in bundles and pull. This really makes the knot really tight. And you can also put a dab of glue if you want. So clipboard is very handy. Two sides to our bracelet. Optionally, you can also put a drop of glue on your knot. We like the hypo tube cement. It's really got a tiny thing at the top. So if you're a worrywart, definitely use glue. Go in, cut the threads off. And you put your clasp into the bead tip. And you push it down in here. Take your ring, that into the bead tip, and push it down again so it sits inside there. Then you have a lovely bracelet. If your bracelet has loose pieces like this, you can take care of that by turning your bracelet inside out. And this will make your bracelet shorter. So you divide it at different areas and you flip it. You divide it again and you flip it. And what this does is it takes out the slack, it puts the strings tighter together, as you can see, and it holds it all tighter and makes it shorter. But you can't undo this. Once you do this, there's no going back. That's cute, huh?